Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Elliot, aka Apartment Bartender and Food52's resident drink expert. In this video, we're gonna be mixing up one of Basil Hayden's signature cocktail recipes called the Golden Hour, featuring Basil Hayden's bourbon and a combination of aperitifs. So let's get to mixing. So for this cocktail, you're gonna need 1 part Basil Hayden's bourbon, followed by 3/4 part of an aperitif like Lillet Blanc, and lastly, 3/4 part of an aperitif like Aperol. Combine all ingredients into a mixing glass and stir with ice. Then strain it into a rocks glass over 1 large cube of ice and garnish with a grapefruit peel. So here you have the Golden Hour cocktail featuring Basil Hayden's bourbon. You can find the full recipe at food52.com. Cheers guys.